How's it going, Jimmy? Hope you're not in a jam. Today I got for you the EK all-in-one cooler. Here it is. This is EK's first actual all-in-one cooler. If you really want to go for the EK brand and the milky RGB look, this is going to be for you. All right, let's unbox the EK all-in-one and let's check it out. Inside, you're going to be presented with an installation manual, 2 Vardar S-Series fans, installation brackets, and the all-in-one unit itself. So after building with the EK all-in-one cooler, what I liked about it was that it's pretty straightforward installation. It's a standard all-in-one. You just get the correct brackets and mounts for your build, and you go ahead and put everything together. The RGBs worked really well. They do have that milky look. One of the things that I did not like about this are the fan setups themselves. The cable comes down to the front right, away from the back of the case, where if you were to rotate it like I had to do for the top one, then the sticker on the back ends up turning 90 degrees as well. So if EK could actually rotate that sticker 90 degrees, so then that way we could have that extra cable length that we need and as well have a unified looking system. So thanks for watching. If you like this review, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and I'll post more videos like this coming up. I don't even know what I have right now. Do I just need to start all over? It's so bright. I can't see how many people are in the audience.